Hello everyone. Next is square. What is square and what are the properties of square? It's a quadrilateral, four-sided figure drawn in a plane, so it is quadrilateral. Now he is saying it's a parallelogram. Opposite sides are parallel. BC parallel to AD and opposite sides are also equal. AB equal to BC and AD equal to BC. But what is special? Satisfying the properties of parallelogram, so it is parallelogram, but special is that all sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal means 5 and 5, suppose. And this is also 5 and 5 because opposite sides are equal, but all sides are also equal. So it means all sides are equal. Clear? AD is equal to BC. Satisfying the property of parallelogram, AD equal to BC, AD is parallel to BC. But all sides are equal, so it is a parallelogram where all sides are equal and each angle is equal to 90 degree. So this parallelogram is a what? Rectangle, because diagonals are also equal. So we can say, if we have to define, square is a rectangle because in rectangle is a parallelogram where diagonals are equal and each angle is 90. So here diagonals are equal. Diagonals are equal. AC is equal to BD and each angle is 90 degree. Satisfying this parallelogram, satisfying both the property of rectangle. So it is a rectangle, but what is special? In this rectangles all sides are equal, so it becomes a square. So we can define square is a rectangle where all sides are equal. So till now it's all sides are equal, each angle is 90 degree, diagonals are equal. Now diagonal bisect at 90 degree. In rectangle it's not necessary they bisect at 90 degree, but square they bisect at 90 degree. It means square is also a rhombus. Diagonal bisect, they bisect but also at 90 degree. So every square is a rectangle because it is satisfying all the properties of rectangle, but every rectangle need not be square. Clear? And every square is a rhombus, satisfying all the property of rhombus, but every rhombus need not be square. Clear? Because every square is a rectangle means satisfying all the property of rectangle, but every rectangle like this is a rectangle but not satisfying the property of square. All sides are not equal. And in similar way, every square what? Satisfy the property of rhombus. Diagonal bisect at 90 and it is parallelogram. But every rhombus is not a square because in rhombus diagonals each time is not equal, angle each time is not equal to 90 degree. In square we need angle equal to 90 degree. So clear the definition.